Hello YouTubers. So today we'll be going back to our Windows privilege escalation series, and we'll be doing a password mining today. We'll be mining passwords from hopefully two different applications that can pre-install that admin has got privilege running only. One of them will be VNC, then the other one will be PuTTY. So we'll be extracting those passwords from registry. Let's see if it's possible we can extract the encrypted password, then use a tool which I have here to decrypt that password and do some comparison to help us understand what the password is. Okay, so I'm going to be using I'm going to bring up CMD. I'll use CMD to do this. Currently I'm just going to do a quick verification just to show us we're not admin. So net users user, we see we're not admin, we're just a normal user. So all we're doing here is under the context of a normal user. So the first command we'll do is we'll try to read the password from a registry key. Let's see if we can check on WinLogon and find the default username that had been used, then also the default password. So we'll do reg query, and we'll go after the HK local machine. We'll go after software, then we'll go after Microsoft, then we'll go, I'm just going to then we'll go after Windows, but this time around Windows NT, because I think that's how the key is stored. Then it should be the current. After this, I'll open Regedit just to show us version where we're going to from our terminal, our CMD here. Win log on. That's what we're going after. We'll wrap this, then we'll put the V flag, then we'll see the default. Let's try to read the default user name. May have typed something wrong. I'm going to quickly go check that out. HKLM, software, Microsoft, Windows NT. Okay, current version. Shouldn't be space between current version. I'm going to see that again. Current version, Win, not wind. Okay, Win logon, default username. This should be fine. Okay, so we can see the default username is user. We'll also check the default password. We can see it's password 123. So pay attention to this because we'll be doing some comparison later on to understand what the admin password will be, because I think it will give us the complete characters, but we'll be doing some comparison analysis to know what that password is. Okay, so we have actually seen the default user and the default password. Now let's try to see if we can extract from PuTTY. So we'll use the command reg query. Again, we'll go for the H key, current user. We'll go to the software. Then we'll go after the PuTTY. PuTTY, I think, is by Simon Tartan. Then we'll go for PuTTY. Then sessions. Then the particular session which we're going after is BWP. I think it's 1, 2, 3 F. Should be capital letters. BWP 1, 2, 3 F 42. Okay. Then we'll pass the V flag, small letter V, and we'll see if we can pass the proxy user name first. May have made a mistake there. I'm going to go look that again. Reg query Q. Where did I miss it? H key current user software. Okay, first we're going after Simon. I think I shouldn't have a space here. Okay, great. Then let's do the same for the proxy password. Again, you can see it's the same as the password which you had checked. So it's in the instance of that current user. So what we're going to do now is we're going to try and see if we can mine passwords from type DNC, which should be admin credential, hopefully. So let's try reg query, and reg query will do that H key again on the instance of the current user. Then we'll pass that software. Then we're going after types BNC this time around, BNC. Then the server will be, then we'll check for the password. Let's see. I'm sure if it doesn't give us in encrypted format, obviously it did. So that's the encrypted password, Windows encryption happening here. So let's try and see if there's a way to read this, if it's going to allow us to read it. So we'll pass password, view only. Let's see. Okay, that still didn't work out for us. Well, these are two different hex characters. So let's try to use the two which I had mentioned earlier. I think it's in my C. I'm going to go to download. I think it's in use. Okay. It should be in VNC. So we're going to be VNC password exe. Then we'll type this one here. I cannot copy it from this command prompt, so I'm just going to type it to be hard coded to be 27C00 4F360. Then we have 46D0. Okay, it's complaining looking for 8 characters, but I think the password is more than 8 characters. But we can see it did the prediction well, pass 321, which is actually password 321, which is the password of this current user, actually, not the admin credential. So what we're going to do this time around is we're going to repeat that same command, but this time around let's pass this first encryption here. I'm sure this should be the password of the admin. Let's try that. ECH4D. Okay. ECH4D. Okay, that's B8BE. My eyes. B8BE 7861. Then that's EG4. I think I may have typed the wrong. Okay, I'm going to verify again because this doesn't look like what we want. That's not cool. EC84D B8. EC84D B8. BE7861. E4D. Okay, it's my bad. All right, so look at that. So we got pass 1 2 3. So if you compare pass 1 2 3, pass 3 2 1, this looks like the admin credential. What's a good way to verify this than to use the runners? Let's see. Runner seems to be here, so we'll try to see if we can run as admin, if we'll be able to pass that password 1 2 3, and see if we can spin up an admin, maybe partial, or an admin cmd.exe. If that works, then that's the admin credential. So let's quickly verify if that password is actually correct. So I'm going to use runners. I'll pass maybe profile. Trying profile, and I'll try no profile. And the profile, the user. Before this, I think I want to verify sys system info. Let me quickly check what the name of this system is. If this is not going to take too long, I'm not interested in all this hot fixes. I just want to see it's IE10 Windows 7. Okay, cool. So run, then also I can verify net users. So that admin user is IE user. We have the password. So run as, we're going to run as profile, and our profile, the user should be on the system IE10 Win 7, I think. Then we'll pass the user, which is IE user. Let's run PowerShell. The password, what we got, password 123. Unable to acquire user password. That's strange. Can we try no profile and see? Okay, I'm gonna try that one more time. Okay, so I have to try the manual way. So let's see if we can run PowerShell here. Run as administrator, supply that password. Okay, that worked fine for us. Okay, so we can see that this is being spawned by the IE user, which is the administrator, and we can see we have that admin rights. At this point, you can add ourselves. Let's try that net local group administrators. Let's add the user add, and that's successfully completed. Not just playing around. Local group. Let's add ourselves to another group. We'll add ourselves to remote management users. Okay. Okay, so is it remote management user? Okay, remote management. I'm not sure. I'm gonna check next local group. Anyways, but what I want to show is we are admin. So even if I kill this and come here and run that nets user, we can see that we now belong to the administrators group. Okay, so that's all I have for this video. Please do like and subscribe, and also be on the lookout. We'll be doing starting videos for the Try Me Advent of the Cyber, and also we'll be doing the AWS course as well. Part of the courses which have been recorded for a platform, I will be sharing them here just so you can enjoy the contents, pen testing, AWS infrastructure. Okay, bye-bye.